hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the Samsung S9 Plus and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I have the Indian variant of the S9 Plus and it sports an Exynos 9810 octa-core processor with Mali G72 MP18 GPU. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way guys, all the apps have been updated to the latest version and both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So guys, S9 Plus was 24 seconds faster than Redmi Note 5 Pro. That sounds like a huge number, but it's mostly because of the games. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone is faster and how fast it actually is. So guys, throughout the speed test, Samsung S9 Plus was noticeably faster than Redmi Note 5 Pro. But the difference wasn't all that huge, at least considering the price and the benchmark scores. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, S9 Plus comes with 6GB of RAM and I'm using the 4GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It might seem unfair, but even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. So guys, in the memory management round, it looks more like a tie. If we include more applications or if I get the 6GB variant of the Note 5 Pro, both phones should perform equally good. So in the memory management round, it's a tie. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.